Hello, Srinivas.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, actually, you said that Power BI report server is the same way. Is the Power BI report server behaves the same way like SSRS reports, where
Yes,
into scheduling all the stuff?
yes.
Okay.
And like as I said, like Power BI report server is going to replace SSRS report server and complete SSRS reports in a coming days.
So in
Yeah.
that scenario, are
Yes.
we going to handle the Power BI Pro? Something is the Power BI service. Is the
Yes.
Power BI report server is also replacement Power BI service?
Power BI, yes, if you consider that you don't want a cloud environment, you want only on-premise environment at that time, yes.
What is on-premise?
On-premise is nothing but the data which is available on a physical servers.
Okay.
Okay, so where you can access within the network.
Okay.
The cloud is nothing but you can access from anywhere. So whatever the SSR is currently doing, the reports that you are creating with SSRS, you can access within the network, right? Or
Correct.
whatever the data that you have, you can access within the network.
Okay.
But I want to access from anywhere. You have Azure concept is there, you have a Power BI, complete cloud computing is there.
Hmm.
So if whatever the reports that you created, you feel that boss, I don't want to share it with anyone, or my resources don't want to access in a outside environment, they want to access within the network. At that time, instead of purchasing a Power BI Pro, you can work with a Power BI report server within the network. However, SSRS is working in the same way, Power BI report server also will work.